Our standard way of controlling a retractable hose central vacuum is from the wall. Pull the hose out, lock it, and hit the switch right there. When you finish vacuuming, unlock, retract the hose, and now it's off. However, if you'd like to have the convenience of being able to turn the vacuum off and on from the handle without going back to the wall, we do have an optional remote handle kit, which is here. Takes the place of your standard handle that comes with the system, and you use your existing wand and tools. Now this has a wireless switch inside that sends a signal down to the receiver at the vacuum, which we would install. Now you would vacuum as normal, turn the switch off. To retract the hose, you can leave it running, retract the hose as you ordinarily would, but now it's very important to make sure and turn that switch back off, as the vacuum cleaner at this point is still running until I hit the switch. The only other thing to be aware of is that this does have a couple of long life batteries inside. After a couple years, they'll need to be replaced. So if this stops sending its signal reliably, but you can still turn the vacuum on from the wall, then you know it is battery time, and you just pop that open. Go to the drugstore or the hardware store, grab 2 new CR2032 coin cells, fit those in, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching. Happy vacuuming.